so we're gonna make crunchy squishies, and all we just need is beads. You can get them from Target, Walmart, Dollar Tree, and then we need a balloon. You might need help, but you could also use like if you have one of those, you could also use like this tool thing that like opens it. But you're gonna put beads in it, and then you're gonna take out the air. And this is part 1, part 2. So part 2, we're gonna show you how it feels. Okay, so first I'm gonna add the colors in, and and all you just gotta do is just put any color, and you just gotta leave it open so it can like go in there. I'm just gonna do blue. It might take a long time, but for me, it's not that long for me. But my cousin, yes, it is. So, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna add blue. You could do whatever color you want. You don't have to do blue. You just gotta put it in. You can hold it like this so it can open. And it'll just slide right through. So these beads might be expensive because like my cousin got this a long time ago, so these might be expensive. But you could use anything else, like other beads. You could use like anything else that like is hard, and then you could use sand. You could do anything. But if you want it crunchy, you should use beads. I'm running out blue. So yeah. And guys, I know that I said I'll crack an egg on my head if I get, I think I said 10K likes. But I'll crack an egg on my head if I just get 10 likes. Just 10. Or 20. 10 or 20. And then I'll crack an egg on my head. Okay, we should be almost done here. I'm just running out of blue. Yeah, mine should be almost done already. And you hear that crunch. It's so blue in there. And if it gets stuck, you could just poke something in there. I just do that. Okay, so I'm done with mine, and part 2, I'll show you how it looks. Bye.